In this video, I'm going to share with you the 5 reasons why it is a must to build an extra source of income. Hi, my name is 𝗪𝗪𝗍 and I went from being in a job for 16 years, I had no idea what to do, to started building my income while I was in a job until I found something really interesting. I went full-time into it. But you know what? There was a transition from being in a job for 16 years to starting my business and building a multi-million-dollar business. वो जो फेज था 1 साल का, उसमें I started building extra sources of income, extra income streams, and this is why it happened for me. So if you are in job, if you're in business, guess what? This advice is going to be really helpful for you. Number 1 reason, you never know when would you lose your job. You see, a lot of people when they're in job, we are living in our wonderland, thinking that sab kuch acha chal raha hai, everything is going well, nothing will happen, nothing can break me. Guess what? If you look at all the people, what happened to BYJU'S? People working in BYJU'S lost, thousands of people lost their jobs. What happened to Twitter? 60 to 70% people are asked to leave as soon as Elon Musk acquired Twitter. And this trend is scary. I'm telling you, this trend is scary. And think about this, right? Today, if you're in a job or you may be a freelancer, today, if your boss tells you your service is no longer required, if company does not do well, if economy does not do well, guess what? You will be in a big mess. And not only you putting yourself at risk, you're putting your whole family at risk by not having extra source of income. People say, oh, starting a business is risky. No, my friend, being in a job is the most riskiest thing ever. But Dev, I don't know, how do I start a business? What do I do? No, that can be learned. But knowing that, man, job is something that you cannot rely on, this is what it means. You need to build an extra source of income. Number 2, inflation. See, the cost of living is actually going high, not just in India, all over the globe. You see, India's inflation rate has been around 7 some odd percentage. Now, if your income is not increasing beyond 7%, then guess what's happening? Forget about growing. You're actually dying. You're losing. So minimum 7 to 10% to grow karna hi karna hai aapka income. You need to find a way to add extra 7 to 10% income to yourself. So whether you do it by doing a freelancing project or asking boss for a raise or finding some skill and you monetize on a part-time, there's so many skills you can do to monetize. Now, if you look at this, there are people in my community, passionpreneurs. There are a lot of housewives. There are people in the job. You know what they're doing? They're actually building their high income skills, and parallelly, they're working on that skill, right? Copywriting, closing, book reviews, writing a book. You see, writing a book also can have an extra stream of income. Now, there are some videos that I can share the link with you on how do you write a book and all that. There's so many ways, but guess what? Cost of living is going up, and if you do not wake up right now and make extra stream of income, you're automatically going downwards. Number 3, you deserve a financial security. You see, there are different steps. A lot of people say, Dev, I want to have financial freedom. I want to build a financial freedom. But you see, that is not the first step. First, you build your financial confidence by building your high income skills. Then you build your financial security, meaning have minimum survival amount coming for you or stored in your bank account. So if you do not have extra stream of income or extra income coming to you, guess what? You will not be able to put that aside and have a peace of mind. जब आपको job छोड़ना होगा, when you have to leave a job, guess what? You will have a lot of pressure. Like I remember my days, 2018, when I quit my job, I just had a little bit of money. I wish I would have had a lot of money. See, I was lucky that I could convert my passion into business very fast. Within 2.5 months, I made 33 lakhs. But you see, not everybody would have that kind of speed and path. You know, for this, you may have it, but for that, why you unnecessarily take the risk? Put some extra money into your savings, into your security, have financial security when the money is coming in. So for financial security reason as well, you need to build an extra stream of income. Number 4, the extra stream of income or extra income can help you to pay off your debt. You see, bachpan se we've been fooled by the society, by the media, by even our parents. They said that, beta khud ka ghar le lo, settle ho jao, and khud ki ghadi le lo, settle ho jao. And our blueprint says that खुद की गाड़ी खुद खुद का घर, शादी, बच्चे, मत जाने life. No. But if you see, ये उधार की जिंदगी है. This is the life full of debt. House is on debt, car is on debt. Like, you don't have freedom. What is the point? Now, if you have extra source of income, if you have extra stream of income, you know what you can do? You can take that and keep paying off the debt. Your first goal should be, how can I become debt free? How can I get out of the debt? Now, there are some debts that are good debts, meaning when you take the money and invest in your knowledge and your skill, which will make you more money, that debt is not bad. But you see, debt on the house, debt on the car, these all are depreciating assets. We said, but the house is an asset. Yes, only if house makes you money, then it is an asset. But if you buy the house just for your own consumption, that means just for living, it is not an asset. It is a liability. So having extra income, you can pay off the debts as well. Number 5, it is a great way to build your dream life and achieve your goals. You see, today, if you have only one stream of income, you can only do X. But if you have 2 streams of income, you can do 2X. So your speed to go from where you are to where you want to reach, it's going to be faster if you have multiple streams of income coming in. Now, this is a no-brainer, isn't it? Like, एक बूंद से कितना time लगेगा to fill a mug. But if you have 5 drops, 5 बूंद होंगी तो mug जल्दी fill होगा. But the question is, but Dev, I'm afraid. I don't know how to do it. I don't know where do I start. What do I do? Guess what? There are so many coaches and trainers available out there who can help you to build your business around passion. I could be one of them. There could be a lot of people who can build your skills and you can start a business. But the point is, you got to start. You got to start somewhere. And you better start right now. There you go. These are the reasons why all of us, we must build extra sources of leads. Now, if you're really curious, if you're really hungry, check out my other videos. I have done some amazing videos which can help you to build your skills, build your passion, build your business. How do you make money? You can check that out. Now, if you're really serious, you want to have fast speed, you can also attend my webinars, my workshop, where I share with you more blueprint on how you can go from 9-to-5 job or a freelancer to building actual real business. If you already have a business, how you can scale it. So I have an entire process that works for everybody. So check out the link. And also, if you have more questions, leave it in the comment box below. This is Dev Gadhvi, happy to serve you.